Hey, welcome back to IKEA 101. Are your kids trying to imitate you and want to do things on their own? Well, kids between the age group of 3 to 7 years have that tendency. Although kids love to have fun and play, teaching them a sense of responsibility and making them independent goes a long way. They can start by organizing things in their wardrobe. Our Smart Star Storage creates a perfect flexible wardrobe for your children as per the space and need they have. Making things more accessible is very important, like in this pull-out unit which makes viewing, choosing and loading clothes easy even for small children. These kid-friendly handles make it easy to open and close the wardrobe safely. Our colorful and playful baggage hangers are flexible and take less space, making more room for clothes. Learning to fold and put clean clothes away lets children feel involved and gives them a sense of accomplishment. These see-through lightweight storage boxes makes it easy to refill and manage as and when they need. Taking these little steps gives kids a sense of control and helps develop good habits in their formative years. Until next time, bye.